In IntractERP, there is a feature named Student Attendance. It gives you a view of the overall student attendance. The attendance dashboard shows you all the classrooms of the institution. If you select a particular classroom, you can take the attendance of the full classroom in one go. When you select a classroom, it gives you an overview of the classroom. It shows you the students' attendance for the particular month. From here, you can click on Take Attendance and take the attendance of the classroom on a particular day. If a student is present, select the box, and if not, leave the box empty. It will mark the student as absent. When you click on Take Attendance, you will have to choose the classroom and then select the date and click on Fetch. It will fetch you the list of students in the particular classroom, and then you can mark the attendance. If on a particular day it's a holiday, you can select the small box named Mark as Holiday and it will mark the day as holiday. There are attendance legends which you can observe below the attendance taken. For example, H means holiday, A means absent, P means present, and etc. Thank you.